Go, 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 go.
The Black Hornet drone, a marvel of modern technology, stands out as the world's smallest operational reconnaissance drone. Weighing in at just 33 grams, 1.2 ounces, and roughly the size of a small bird, this tiny yet powerful device offers significant advantages in various applications, particularly in military operations. One of its most impressive features is its long flight time. Despite its diminutive size, the Black Hornet can fly for up to 25 minutes on a single charge, providing ample time for thorough reconnaissance missions. Its electric motors ensure silent operation, making it difficult to detect during flight. This stealth capability is crucial for missions requiring discretion. The Black Hornet is equipped with dual cameras, offering high-definition visible and thermal imaging capabilities. This allows it to operate effectively in both day and low-light conditions, providing comprehensive situational awareness. The real-time video streaming feature enables operators to receive immediate feedback, making it an invaluable tool for real-time decision-making in dynamic environments. Quick deployment is another standout feature of the Black Hornet. It can be launched in less than 2 minutes, making it ideal for urgent situations where time is of the essence. This quick response capability is complemented by its durable design, which allows it to withstand harsh environments including light rain and wind. Developed by Norwegian inventor Petter Muren and his company Prox Dynamics, the Black Hornet has seen widespread adoption by militaries worldwide, including the US Army. Its small size and powerful features have revolutionized close-quarter reconnaissance, providing troops with a valuable tool for gaining critical information without exposing themselves to danger. The drone's top speed is estimated to be around 13 miles per hour, 21 kilometers per hour, for cruising, with possible bursts up to 20 feet per second, 6 meters per second. This speed allows it to cover ground quickly while maintaining stability and control. The DJI Mavic 3 sets a high standard in the consumer drone market, offering a range of advanced features that cater to both professional and enthusiast users. With two main variants, the Mavic 3 Pro and the Mavic 3 Classic, this series offers options for varying needs and budgets. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro is its co-engineered Hasselblad camera, which delivers stunning photo and video quality. This premium camera setup includes a telephoto lens, enabling users to capture detailed, zoomed-in shots without compromising on clarity. Starting at $2,199, the Mavic 3 Pro is tailored for those who demand top-of-the-line imaging capabilities. On the other hand, the Mavic 3 Classic, priced from $2,179, features a 1/2 3-inch CMOS sensor that provides good quality photos and videos, making it an excellent choice for users seeking high performance at a more accessible price point. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 is its impressive flight time. Capable of flying for up to 46 minutes on a single charge, it allows for extended sessions without the need for frequent recharging. This extended flight time is complemented by a long-range capability of up to 15 kilometers, giving users the freedom to explore and capture footage from greater distances. Both variants of the Mavic 3 are equipped with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance technology, utilizing a combination of vision, time of flight, and other sensors. This system ensures safer flights by detecting and avoiding obstacles in all directions. The drones also support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second and offer the log color profile, which provides greater flexibility in post-production color grading. In terms of dimensions, the Mavic 3 Classic measures 221 by 96.3 by 90.3 millimeters when folded, while the Mavic 3 Pro is slightly larger at 231.1 by 98 by 95.4 millimeters. When unfolded, both drones share similar dimensions, with the Classic at 347.5 by 283 millimeters and the Pro at 347.5 by 290.8 millimeters. Despite their compact sizes, these drones are designed to withstand winds up to 43 kilometers per hour and can fly at speeds of up to 18 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable and reliable performance even in challenging conditions. Another notable feature is the Mavic 3's ability to fly at altitudes up to 6,000 meters above sea level, which opens up opportunities for capturing breathtaking high-altitude shots. This capability, combined with the drone's advanced sensor suite, ensures precise navigation and stable flight performance. Thankful to you for obliging us. Moreover, make sure you subscribe for extra exciting updates.